Is second, Franco Morbidelli third, row 2, Miller, Cazioso, Marc Marquez, the world champion, only the third time in his MotoGP career. He qualified outside the top 10 in 11th. Iannone and Jorge Lorenzo down on row 6, and Mika Kallio and the home crowd hero, Happy Shireen there.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. Think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, but they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption came.
Was up the inside of turn 3, where the Quattro had a bit of a moment of airborne Petrucci.
Well, so far, 4 laps, he's not even within half a second.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, but they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again,
been a difficult weekend here in Sepang. Wide in there. I mean, you can take that sort of line in, but unfortunately the back for third, fourth and fifth. The only thing I can say, Matt, is that they are putting pressure on Dovi, so he is actually having a stress scene of him. Valentino Rossi and Alex Rins then all over the tail unit now of Andrea Dovizioso. Long time.
Cracking fight going on for 8th place as well. Further back, Miller, Zarco, Petrucci and Mia. They're having a real good battle for bragging rights in Petronas, but not for the positions that they were anticipating at all.
11th on the grid. Second place is a great result for Marc Marquez and this run of top rider in the MotoGP era after 18 races.
Yeah, when he was flying through the air at turn 2 yesterday, snapped your hands off Marc Marquez. It's been another brilliant performance by him. Unfortunately, by the time he got into second.
The problem Rossi's going to have here is even if he does manage to get past Dovizioso, he's got
change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came.
Higher up than 11th place, but still salvage a second place. Brilliant.
towards this for some time, haven't they?
Do you know what? I think Dovi might have Rossi and Rins covered as well, because Rossi's about half a second behind. There might be some late drama, but it looks like Rins has run out of steam.
Yeah, into turn 9, it would be a good overtaking opportunity.
To Dovi's back wheel for quite some time. A couple of times he's tried to find a way through. Marc Marquez is going to take performance by the top gun who heads to the last corner. He's going to be victorious. Magnificent
It's Mavericks Malaysia as he wins for Yamaha and ends a 9-year drought in Malaysia. There's Marquez across the line. Valentino Rossi couldn't quite